What's up, guys? Robbie here. Bitcoin is still in this triangle and it is still primed to break out. If you guys want to hear more about this, please stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, like we've been talking about in the last couple of videos, if you haven't watched the last one put up in the top right corner right about now, Bitcoin has been going down and it is now in this triangle pattern. In our last video, we were in about this region of the triangle. We were in the third touch of the bottom of the triangle, and now we have actually gone back up, but it looks like we are having a little bit of resistance towards the top end of this triangle here, and the volume is still declining, guys. If you look at the volume in Bitcoin, the volume, I mean, this is just on the 4-hourly time frame. The volume hasn't really been this low since January. Very low trading here, which means that people are not buying or selling the currency. They're kind of just sitting around just waiting for something to happen. And as we know, with Bitcoin, or with any stock, anything, when the volume tends to decrease, we see some type of huge breakout to really make a move happen. Where's an example of this so I can show you guys here? Let's see right here. If we see right here, we saw that Bitcoin was at this top, and we saw that the volume was low, and it did have a little spike. And then right here, we saw that Bitcoin was kind of had another spike in selling volume. But basically, when we have these patterns here, when you have the declining volume, means that there's going to be an explosive breakout towards the end of the pattern. And the end of the pattern, I mean, the maximum length of this is June 5th. And, recording this video on the 31st here means that it's very imminent here. And we know that we have support on the top at the $46,000 range and the $43,000 range. And we have the support on the bottom at the $30,000 range and the $26,000 range. But if we draw a target for this triangle pattern, which is by drawing it from the top to the bottom, if we broke out tonight, the target for this breakout would be into the $20,000 range, and we'd almost be hitting the teens, guys. So this breakout here is going to be very significant to Bitcoin, because if we take this line and we break it up to the upside, because there's always a up or down scenario here, Bitcoin could be going up to that $53,000 level again, and we haven't seen the $53,000 level for almost a month now, guys, or actually a little over a month now. We haven't seen that $53,000 level, guys. So, this is going to be a very significant move for Bitcoin. We should really be paying attention to it, because whatever move happens here is going to dictate the future for this currency in the short term. If we do break to the downside and we do break that support at that $30,000 level, we will be hitting the teens. And I believe that if we hit the teen level down here, the $20,000, $19,000, $18,000, $17,000, $16,000 range, that would, there would be a big enough reaction to people who would buy Bitcoin to really reverse it to the upside. But then vice versa here, guys, if Bitcoin breaks to the upside here and it goes back up to the $50,000 range, then people are going to see that, it's reversed. That's it. It went from 30 to 50. It doubled in price, nearly doubled in price. It's going to be very explosive breakout. So this will be happening over the term of maybe a week or two. You know what I'm saying? So people would be basically FOMOing at this point if it broke to the upside, and it would bring the price even further. So yeah, guys, there's the upward and downward scenario. I mean, if you guys like the short videos like this, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'm going to keep bringing you guys content like this. And yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.